Alright, so welcome back. Let's play it with the next bug, which is injection and with blind. So here we have given a field where we can put our IP address and click on things. So once we click on that, we are receiving a message: did you capture our golden packet? So it does not displays the output of the IP address or the command that is executed inside on the server. So here let's try to uh, execute some bad scripts. So uh, let's ping our local host, or as you can see here I tried some different commands before practicing before this. So we can try, so let's try the sleep one. What this will do is that it will ping the local host and sorry, or and wait, this will wait for 10 seconds. So if I click on this will wait 10 seconds and then ping this local host. So if I click, as you can see, it is loading. This is going to load 10 seconds, and after that it will execute this and display the this message again. So it is now successfully uh, the promises. So the command is executed and we received the old message which said, did you capture our golden packet? So we can like the previous one we can inject any command, but here we don't see the result, so that's why we tried that sleep one. So let's try the other one that I tried here. As you can see, I tried different commands. So let's try this one, but instead of xxx dash file.txt, we can uh, let's try the touch one which we tried before. So we'll see if this works fine or not. So touch, and let's say log.txt, and if I think we got our result, and let's go back to the terminal, and if I ls log store, as you can see we have our file log.txt file. So we created a file using blind OS command injection, and you can try these other commands that I have tried before, which are actually using the or command, and in this case I pass the fort, so this works as well. You can pass the forts to check for testing purpose. So after or you can execute any command that you can execute in your terminal. So you can inject any command to this server.